Hey guys, welcome to Pangolin Photo Safari in Botswana.
Pangolin is a luxury safari lodge next to Chobe National Park that has been created specifically for photography enthusiasts.
We are here for the next 5 nights to photograph different animals here on the Chobe River. We are so excited. We're going to be doing boat safaris on the river and game drive safaris in the park, and we cannot wait to photograph all these amazing animals.
There's 14 rooms here at Pangolin. We are staying in room 2.4 on the second floor. Let's go check it out.
This is the amazing bathroom. I love the exposed pipes. It is awesome. Look at that. Rain shower. Jared's happy. So they have lots of storage for your luggage, and they have a safe here if you need. And the most best thing of all is they have complimentary laundry.
So the rooms here at Pangolin are super comfortable and they are massive. You've even got an amazing view out over the Chobe River just there. A few other little cool things they've got. PowerPoints, literally everywhere. Because this place is focused on photography, they're ensuring you never have any kind of flat batteries while you're out there, so there's just PowerPoints everywhere.
You don't need an adapter because they have different types of plugs. So just bring along your gear and you'll be able to plug it into the universal adapters.
Also,
this is a goal. We want to get this. We want to get this.
Alright, so our goal is to get a photo halfway as good as that.
Yeah. We're staying here for 5 nights and we're going to show you guys around the lodge. During the day, there's different safaris, so one in the morning, one in the afternoon. And during the middle part of the day, which is not so good for lighting and photography, we do workshops, Lightroom, editing, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited. We're going to learn so much.
The Pangolin Chobe Hotel is actually an old cattle shed that has been renovated into an open-air, beautifully decorated safari lodge. There's a wildlife photo gallery featuring images from some of the photo hosts and guides, a massive pangolin-shaped window, lots of space to lounge around between excursions, a fully stocked bar with all drinks included, and of course, great views over the Chobe. But the main reason we are here is to photograph wildlife and get better at creating unique images. The Pangolin photo hosts are the best in the business and they are always on hand to share their knowledge to help improve our skills. For this video we asked some of them what their favourite photography tips are and they didn't hesitate to answer.
Hi guys, my name is Yaku. I work for Pangolin Photo Safaris as a photo host, especially during winter, June, July, August, September. My number one photography tip would be understand animal behavior. It really helps to come close to animals and understand what is their next move. Not just taking a snapshot static of an elephant, because anyone can get that. But once you spend a little bit of time, have fun, just relax. Don't rush it. Don't think, oh, I need to go to the next thing, the next buffalo, the next whatever. Just spend a little bit of time, because like humans, animals always need to move. They need to do something, they need to eat. So just wait that little moment and then you see, this is what's going to happen. Then get your camera settings correct for whatever you predict that's going to move. Especially if your guide is around, listen to what they say because they've seen it many times. And enjoy it. Have fun. Don't just think, the next thing, the next thing. Have fun.
Okay, we're all checked in. We've been hanging out for about an hour. We're about to go out for our very first sunset cruise. We're so excited. Now, we've done a sunset cruise on the Chobe before, but not a photography-based one. So this one's going to be very special. The crew have jumped in the safari truck. Let's cruise.
Bye-bye.
Pangolin photo boats were personally designed and built by the co-founder Guts to be perfect for wildlife photographers. They even have heavy-duty, fully articulating camera mounts so you can hold your long telephoto lenses steady. Thanks for that demo, Guts, you legend. Here on the Pangolin boats, you actually spin right around on these chairs, so no matter which way the animal's coming from, you're always going to get the action. This is locked. How good's that? And in case you don't have your own camera gear, Pangolin has a whole collection of bodies and zoom lenses for guests to use completely free.
I actually need to control my excitement. I can't stop smiling. I don't know what to expect. I just know that we're going to concentrate on photography, and that's what I really want. That's what we really want, so I'm super excited.
So our guide Yako has been guiding for his entire life and he knows the animal behaviour so well. He's anticipating what the elephants and the giraffes are actually going to do, which allows us to get the boat into position to just wait for the animals to come into the shot that we want. So right now we've pulled up next to this bank because Yako has spotted some elephants coming down and he reckons they're going to come right here to this bank with no obstructions of the grass. So let's see if he's right. Got into spot for sunset. Some elephants are about to go right in front of the sun, so we've got the cameras all set up. Yako has got us in position. I think it's going to be spectacular.
That is magical. They're calling. So the lions are calling more in the bush and we're just sitting here waiting and they're going to come down. They're leaving now. Just behind us we have 4 females. Look, here are all the pangolin photography boats and guess what? There's the other boats way down there. This is why you need to go with a private safari tour.
Welcome back.
Oh, we just got back from our first sunset cruise on the Chobe with Pangolin. It was next level.
My cheeks hurt, honestly. I could not stop smiling. We actually spent time with each animal. We just took in its behavior. We had Yako behind us explaining what the animal was going to do and camera settings as well.
Yeah, and the amazing thing was he wasn't telling you what camera settings to do. He was just kind of talking out loud about what he would do and what he would choose. So even if we had a particular setting and we were happy with it, he would mention something and we'd think about it and be like, all right, let's give that a go and just see how it would change the image. And
oh my gosh. So I reckon we've walked away with so many amazing shots. Like it was just amazing.
For our new guests, you are welcome to Pangolin Photo Safaris.
Hi guys, my name is Guts. I'm co-founder here at Pangolin Photo Safaris and it's a big honor having you guys here. You asked me what is my best tip or my ultimate tip for wildlife photography. That's so difficult. It's almost impossible. There's so many beautiful, wonderful things that we have to follow and that we need to do. But I think for me personally is number 1 tip is be there. Be out there. Get up in the morning. I can guarantee you if you stay in bed you won't get any shots. But if you're out there, the chances are good you'll get something. So here at Pangolin, we leave very early, have a quick cup of coffee. But once we're out there, it's all worth it. We get these amazing shots. Once the sun is up, you've got that beautiful first light. And that's when you want to be out there already, ready to take some pictures.
here at Pangolin, you have early starts every single day because you've got to make the most of when the animals are out here and it's super quiet and the lighting's going to be beautiful. So about 5:30 we got up, bit of a breakfast, and we're down here back at the dock and we're going to head on out, do our first morning sunrise safari here in the Chobe. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, my name is Pusetso and I'm a photo host here at Pangolin Photo Safaris. My photography tip, or my top photography tip, would be create your own luck by understanding your environment and your subject. Then you'll definitely have a better chance of getting a really nice shot.
Now, of course, here at Pangolin, the fun and the learning doesn't stop when you're out on the boat. It continues on when you get back to the lodge. And we are here now, and Janine's going to take us into the editing room just there and show us how she edits her photos and also help us edit our own so we can get that little bit more character and bring our artistic, creative vision to life. Before I go to afternoon tea, I wanted to show you guys the hide that they have here at Pangolin. It's a place where you can actually go down right on water level at one of the watering holes at the back of Pangolin and just wait to see if there's any animals there. So you come downstairs here into this cool little dungeon basement area. If you keep walking right to the end. Now, obviously, there's no animals out here. I wouldn't be sticking my head out. But this is the watering hole, just here. And they have all kinds of wildlife that come and drink from this watering hole. And you get some beautiful eye-level photos while they're drinking. They've had kudu, waterbuck, springbok. They've even had lions and leopards down here.
Yum, cheesy.
Hi, I'm Sarah. I also work at Pangolin Photo Safaris as one of the photo hosts. And my top advice for you guys when you come on safari and you're shooting, naturally we all take far too many photos. So once my guests have got a couple of shots, I always say, once you've seen the animal, is it in a better background, better light, or better behavior? And if you can't genuinely say it is, then it's time to put down your camera and enjoy the moment.
So we're doing something different this afternoon. We're going to jump in one of these safari trucks and go for a game drive, so land-based adventures this afternoon. See if we can get some different animals, some different types of shots. Super excited. We're very lucky. We've got Yako and Charles, our guide and driver again. I think it's going to be pretty spectacular out there. We just got back from our amazing game drive. It was just such a special, beautiful moment. It was so cool seeing Chobe National Park from a different angle, not being out on the water, actually being on land. We had some incredible encounters, but we're back here at Pangolin. It's time to start the fire, go down, have a cheeky drink, and then get ready for dinner.
Until we meet again. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Dan. I'm the operations manager here in Pangolin at the Chobe Hotel. My number one tip for wildlife photography, I would say take your time, make sure you get a good shot, and then always put your shutter speed up a little bit more and hopefully wait for some action, and that's how you get a great shot.
It's our last morning here at Pangolin Photo Safaris in Botswana, and we are leaving at 10 o'clock to our next adventure. But before we go to the airport, we're just chilling out here in the bar. It is super peaceful and quiet. We're just enjoying the beautiful views over the Chobe. The staff here have brought us some breakfast, and we are going to do the Pangolin Guardian course that you can do here and become a pangolin guardian. Now, Pangolin Photo Safaris have their own charity with the aim to protect the critically endangered pangolin animal. It's a beautiful, wonderful, fascinating species which unfortunately is being poached to extinction. So what Pangolin do is try to support research and protection of this beautiful animal by doing things like providing educational courses, which you can do here at Pangolin. You get a cool little badge when you finish it, and also by buying product. And the best thing is every dollar spent on the souvenir goes directly to the charity. So it's a worthy cause. I highly recommend getting involved in it while you're here at Pangolin Photo Safari. And then when you complete the course, you become a Pangolin Guardian and you get a cool badge to show your support for these amazing mammals. Well guys, we just wrapped up an amazing 5 days here at Pangolin Photo Safaris in Botswana, and I have to say we learnt so much from the incredible photo hosts that they have here at the lodge. We learnt all about different types of creative photography, how to improve our photos when shooting wildlife, and of course just enjoying this spectacular region that is the Chobe National Park in Botswana. We've been working as photographers for a decade now, but to have the opportunity to come to Botswana and actually spend time and learn from some of the best wildlife photographers in the world was just an amazing opportunity and not something that we're going to take for granted. If you guys are looking to improve your own wildlife photography, or you just want to spend more time out here in the Chobe National Park or just on safari in Africa, definitely look up Pangolin Photo Safaris. In fact, we're even going to be bringing our own groups here to share this experience with all of you. If you like the video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and a comment below and hit that subscribe button, because we'll keep bringing out videos from our adventures all around the world. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure. I met you in 2018 though, and it's been 5 years since I last saw you, and I have to admit, hanging out with you in South Georgia and learning off you was one of the most inspiring photographic moments of my journey in taking images. And I'm not just saying that, like, you taught me so much in just such a short amount of time, and that's what compelled us to want to come and stay with you at Pangolin. So if I could just encourage everybody to take your tips on board, but also for me, just having the opportunity to hang out with someone of your caliber and the photo hosts you've got here is just amazing. Yeah.
Jared, that means a lot, especially coming from you guys. You know, we're looking up to you guys, and it's wonderful. I think it's amazing that we have this bunch of people here together, and we learn from each other. And it's for us, it's such a big honor that you finally choose Africa and come and visit us here. So definitely. Let's see each other very soon. Let's not wait another 5-6 years.
Hell no. Mongolia, let's make it happen.
Mongolia, let's make that happen.